Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Ilham Ali Siswanto, NIM B922171107, Class C3 Globalization. In this video, I will present the impact of media globalization on Indonesia arts and culture. Globalization is a phenomena specifically in its human civilization move continuously in society global and is part of the process global human being. The presence of technology, information and communication technology accelerate the acceleration of this globalization process. Globalization creates challenge and new problem that must be answered, solved in an attempt to exploit globalization for the benefit of life. In fact, globalization is evident has brought nuance of its culture and values influencing people, tastes and lifestyles. Through increasing media open and affordable, society accept various information about its new civilization come from all corners of the world. The positive impact of globalization in terms of social and culture in Indonesia. 1. Indonesia's social and culture values can be introduced to the international community. The Indonesia nation can introduce culture and tourist objects to other countries in order to attract foreign tourists to visit Indonesia. This of course will increase the country foreign exchange and benefit Indonesia. Number 2, Indonesia can participate in visit to social and cultural values from others country so that we can absorb good cultural values to be developed in Indonesia without change the identity. Next, negative impact of the globalization in social and culture aspect in Indonesia. Number 1, there are culture exchange or recognition of Indonesia culture by other countries. For example, Indonesia culture, namely the Pendet dance, which is recognized by the Malaysian state. This is of course very detrimental to the Indonesia people. Number 2, the Indonesian national prefers to adopt Western values. This results in the Indonesian national losing its identity because Western culture was not in accordance with the ideology of the Indonesian state, namely Pancasila. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.